Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crop videos in CapCut. It's really simple and easy. The first step is to open CapCut and open the video or import the video which you want to crop. I have this video I want to crop. What I have to do is select my video and then scroll down until you see these options. So then you have to tap on this edit option and then you have to search for this transform option. Tap on it and now you can see these options: rotate, mirror and resize. These three options you will see. We are going to tap on this resize and the cropping editor will open. You will see couple of different options. You can crop your video easily with different aspect ratios. You have 9 by 16, 16 by 9, 1.1 for Instagram. This 9 by 16 is reels and 16 by 9 is for YouTube. Let's say I'm going for this 9 by 16 and you can do it custom by like this. You can drag this and then you can easily do it by your own choice, but I am going for this 9 by 16. Then simply tap on this check icon in the top right corner and that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.